أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تدخلوا بيوتا غير بيوتكم حتى تستانسوا وتسلموا على أهلها ذلكم خير لكم لعلكم تذكرون فإن لم تجدوا فيها أحدا فلا تدخلوها حتى يؤذن لكم وإن قيل لكم ارجعوا فارجعوا هو أزكى لكم والله بما تعملون عليم ليس عليكم جناح أن تدخلوا بيوتا غير مسكونة فيها متاع لكم والله يعلم ما تبدون وما تكتمون. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah Noor Ayat number 27, 28 and 29. So these three ayat very important because these ayat are giving us rules, regulations of Allah how to enter into the houses, like the houses of your own, houses of your family members, and houses of your friends and relatives, and houses of the other people. How you have to enter into the houses, and also some other places which are public places, how to enter into them. So the rules and regulations have been explained clearly, mashallah, by Allah himself in these three ayat, so which are very very important for us in order to keep our modesty, purity and piety, mashallah, at fresh level, at constant level, at accurate and that level which is liked by Allah, mashallah. So this is very important. We have to look after it, we have to follow it completely and fully so that we can get Allah's pleasure, mashallah. So we read in this ayat, first ayat is 27. Allah said, Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, O believers, O people with iman, la tadkhulu, you are not allowed to enter. Bayutan, bayut is the plural of bayt. Bayt mean house. So bayutan mean houses. You are not allowed to enter into the houses ghaira bayutikum, other than your own. So hatta tastanesu, until you will have to get permission. Wa tusallimu, and you have to say assalamu alaikum. You have to greet ala ahliha, to the people who are residing, who are living in those houses. So zalikum, this is better. Zalikum, this is khairun, is better. Lakum, for you. So zalikum khairul lakum, so this is better for you. La'allakum, so that you tazakkarun, so that you remember it. So this is, you remember, this is Allah's blessings are hidden in this Allah's ordinance. So Allah's command is very very important for us to follow, mashallah. So in this ayat Allah tells us that Ya ayyuhallazina amanu la tadkhulu bayutan ghayra bayutikum hatta tastanisu wa tusallimu ala ahliha zalikum khairul lakum la'allakum tazakkarun. So, O believers, do not enter the houses other than your own until you have requested for permission, and then greet the people who are residing in those houses. It is better for you so that you can remember it. So, next ayat Allah said, فَإِن لَمْ تَجِدُوا فَإِن. So, if you not find fiha in the house ahadan, so if there is no one, if you are not finding anyone, فَلَا تَدْخُلُوهَا, then you are not allowed to enter into the house. Hatta yuzana lakum, until you have to get permission. If you have permission, then you are allowed to enter. Otherwise, you are not to enter. You are not allowed to enter into the house. Wa in qila lakum urji'u. Wa in, and if qila, if you are said, lakum, if it is said to you, arji'u, that you have to turn back, you have to go back. Farji'u, then you have to go back. Huwa azka lakum, that is giving you purity. So if you go back, you will get purity if you will turn back. Wallahu, and Allah, bima ta'maluna alim, and Allah knows what you are doing. So in this ayat number 28, Allah said, فَإِلَّمْ تَجِدُوا فِيهَا أَحَدًا فَلَا تَدْخُلُوهَا حَتَّى يُؤْذَنَ لَكُمْ وَإِنْ قِيلَ لَكُمُ ارْجِعُوا فَارْجِعُوا هُوَ أَزْكَى لَكُمْ وَاللَّهُ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ عَلِيمٌ. So if you do not find anyone living in the house, so do not enter until get permission to enter. And if you are asked to go back, then you have to go back. It will purify you, and Allah knows what are you doing. The next 29 ayat, Allah said, Laisa alaykum junahun. Laisa alaykum, it is not on you, junahun, sinful. So it is not on you sin, an tadkhulu, that you enter, bayutan, in the houses, ghayra maskunatin, where no one is living. So laisa alaykum junahun an tadkhulu bayutan ghayra maskunatin. It is not sinful for you if you enter the houses not used for living. Fiha mata'un lakum. Fiha, in those houses, mata'un mean something of you, lakum there. So it means lakum, for you, is something is there. So if you have some of your goods there, then you can go to take that. Wallahu ya'lamu, and Allah knows, ma tubduna, what you reveal, what you open, wa ma taktumun, and what you hide or what you conceal. So Allah knows all that. So in this ayat, last one, so Allah said, Laisa alaykum junahun an tadkhulu bayutan ghayra maskunatin fiha mata'un lakum wallahu ya'lamu ma tubduna wa ma taktumun. So it is not sinful for you if you enter the houses which are not used for living, where some of your goods are lying, and Allah knows what you reveal and what you conceal. MashaAllah. So these are the three ayat in which Allah tells us the rules, regulations, how to enter into the houses. So very important. So we are just to look first one now. The first one, Allah said, Ya ayyuhallazina amanu la tadkhulu bayutan ghayra bayutikum hatta tastanisu wa tusallimu ala ahliha. So the first ayat is explaining, we are just to look first of all the houses. House is very important because it is a special place which is giving you a comfortable position, or which is giving you the privacy, which is giving you full protection, and also giving you your requirements to live, mashallah, what habitats you need. So all of that you will get in the house. So house is blessings of Allah, mashallah, so that you can stay in the house in a comfortable situation. So Allah wants to keep your privacy protected, keep your the peace of mind, peace of body, and also your health, your mashallah, your wealth and your properties and assets in the house fully protected. Allah wants to save everything for you, and Allah wants that you must have purity, and the people who are coming to your house to see you, those people, they must have purity, modesty, they should maintain it, so that the environment as a whole should be pure and clean. Allah wants to see this, like this is very important. So this way, first of all, we have to look how many types of houses are there. The first type of house is like a house in which you are living with your wife and children. So that type of house, when you are going to enter into that house, what is the criteria for that according to the rules, regulation of Allah? So you have to follow the instruction what Abdullah bin Masud radiallahu ta'ala anhu he was doing. Abdullah bin Masud radiallahu ta'ala, his wife says that when he was to enter into the house, so he was like slightly coughing like this, like this way. So it means, she says that when Abdullah bin Masud radiallahu ta'ala, when he was coming into the house and he was coughing like that was a sign of entry into the house, I was completely confirming, understanding that Abdullah is coming into the house. So this way I was making myself ready to receive him. So this was the wording of his wife, mashallah. So this is the way, like you have when you are going to enter into your house. So no problem, you can enter in your house, but you have to have sign like where your wife, she understand that you are coming, that is, so that is the sign that you are coming, but there is no any other person coming like this way. So your sign special must be there. So this is the way how to enter into the house that is your own, where you are living with your wife and children. So this is very important. The second type of house in which you are living, where your brothers, sisters, and maybe your wife and your parents, so a big house, a family house you have like that. And for how to enter into this type of house, so first of all you have to go to knock the house. So you have to knock the house, knocking with there is some bell or some alarm that you have to use that one. So 3 times. So that is very important. First time you can do it, then the people, some of them coming to open the door. So when a door is open, you have to say Assalamu alaikum. So then when you enter and you go inside and the people are there, so you are just to say Assalamu alaikum there also to the people who are there. This way Allah said, wa tusallimu ala ahliha. So you are just to say Assalamu alaikum to them. You have to greet those people also. This is the before talking you have to say Assalamu alaikum. This is very important. So this is the rules, regulation to enter the house which is your family house. Now is the other house, for example the house which is the house of your relatives. That is not your house, but the house of your relative. So You are just to go into the house of your relative. So what will you do there? So this is the rule which you have to follow. Very, very important. Like this is very important to follow that. What you will follow that? So you will say, first of all, you will knock the door, and knock the door one time, and then with a short, then you have to knock again, knock 3 times. So knock the door, and then someone coming to open the door. So when the door is open, you have to get permission for entry and say assalamu alaikum to the person who is coming to open the door. Say assalamu alaikum and request for permission to enter into the house. If that person is giving you entry into the house, then you have to go inside, and when you are going inside the house and people who are residing inside the house, then you have to say assalamu alaikum to those people, then you start talking. So this is the way Allah said zalikum khairul lakum. So this is better for you, la'allakum tazakkarun, so that you can have to remember this. This is Allah's special rule, special Allah's blessings on us, that rules and regulation have been explained to us. The best thing is that when you say assalamu alaikum, that means assalamu alaikum mean you are giving the guarantee that your all of your wealth, your assets, your everything is fully protected from me. So, and also your honor, your children, your wife, your the people who are living here, so all are safe from me. So I am giving the safety, guarantee of the safety of all the people also. So this is salam is like this. So salam is mean salamti or peace. So it mean I will keep on peace for everyone, for your belonging, for your health, and for the health and the honor and safety of all the people. So I am giving guarantee that I will follow that. So this is salam when you say. And salam is also very important, that salam is the name from 99 names of Allah, and this way all the names of Allah very important, because all the names of Allah will have angel also. So who are just this salam name of Allah has also angels of protection who can help to prevail the peace and prosperity and mashallah and tranquility within the environment. So this way, when a person is saying assalamu alaikum, then the angels who are bringing peace and tranquility, they are coming there, and they are just to bring the peaceful atmosphere and environment, and that becomes nice, mashallah. So this way, this assalamu alaikum is very important also. So is also what other thing is that when you say assalamu alaikum, it also give the protection, that Allah's blessing. This is dua also, that you must be in peaceful situation and free from all types of diseases, troubles, problems, and should stay in peace. Like this is dua also. So this way Allah said, first of all you have to get permission, then you say assalamu alaikum. And Allah said this is better for you, because when you say assalamu alaikum to them, they will also reply to you wa alaikum assalam. So you will get also the peace like this way, that dua will be better for you, because you will be safe. When you say assalamu alaikum, it means the angels are there, so you will be protected. You will not be involved any type of indecency, any type of bad deed or evil or some type of wrong thing. So you will not suffer in that. So this way, and when the other people they say wa alaikum assalam, so you will be also, and other people will be also in a peaceful situation, free from all types of evil, bad things and shaitanic intervention, so will not be there. So mashallah, as a peaceful, pure and modest environment and situation will be very good. So this way Allah said it will be good for you when you say like this. Even if you are going to the house of your friend, you have to knock the door, and then you have to, when your friend is coming to open the door, then you have to say assalamu alaikum, and then he will lead you to the drawing room. Then you have to go there, and then after assalamu alaikum, then you can start talking. So this is the way how to. And even if you are going to next ayat, we will inshallah understand about the more about when you are going to the house, and if there is your friend or your other family member is you have gone to meet that one, but that is absent, and what will you have to do then? So we will learn in the next ayat. So, but one thing here more is very important. If you are going to the houses of other than your friend or relatives, then you have to be careful there also, because sometimes you go as a guest. You are invited on some type of invitation you have, like food party or some tea party or something you have. Then you have, when you are going to attend that, so you must be careful that time, that when you go to knock the door, so you should when someone is coming to open the door, and you say assalamu alaikum, and that person will lead to the room where the other people are, then you have to go there, say assalamu alaikum to all others, and you are not to make your eyes towards the woman of that house, or to the things which are inside that house, but you have to stay there where they have to make you are sitting also, and you have to be like a respectable, honorable person, and stay like that nice way. So give respect and get respect. So this is very important, so you have to look after that. So sometime if you are going to the to the houses of other people for whom you don't know, then you have to, first of all, you have to knock the door, and then if they open the door, then you say whatever you have the question, and you have to say reply, answer, get. That is the only, you have to get the reasonable answer, which is the required answer or required conversation. You are not allowed to talk other than required conversation. So this is very important, to keep your modesty, to keep your mashallah, purity, very important. So inshallah we will see on the next ayat about more when there is no one in the house, or when you will be asked to go back. So inshallah.